loops, right? So loops and what is arrays. So today we are going to discuss on some additional level, right? So this one is called a single dimension loop, whatever we learned yesterday. What we'll call? Right, single dimension array. So in this case, what will happen is, let me go to Excel.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
Oh, sorry. You're unable to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you can see it's a single dimension array. Whatever we discussed right till now, it's a single. Right. So we'll not be having two rows, only one row. Right. So in this case, how the data will be? Data will be like in a like this, in this order. Right. So we'll be having array, for example, marks, and then we'll be having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right. So like this order will be like this. So even memory will get allocated in a sequential manner, right? And so what if I want to use multi-dimensional array, right? So in our I'm going to max again. So you don't know about matrix? Matrix addition, matrix multiplication, subtraction. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me write something.
Yes, sir.
I will ask questions.
It's
It's a beautiful handwriting, right? Okay. Now you are having this value. Okay. So what this matrix called?
2 by
2 by 2
matrix.
matrix.
Very good. 2 by 2. This one is called 2 by 2 matrix, right? So why it is called 2 by 2?
It is having 2 rows and 2 columns, sir.
Very good. So what if I am having like this? What is this size here? What is matrix for?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Right? Okay. Can we add these two matrix?
No.
Why not?
Rows of first matrix, columns of second matrix are not equal.
So I'm not talking about multiplication, addition, right? So everything should be same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2 only, right? So only if both are same only we can able to add it, right? So what this one is called? This element, first row, first column, right? This one is first row, second column. This one is second row, first column. This one is second row, second column, right? You're following, right? So in our case, we will be having, we will be always starting with a 0, right? So what is this value we can, how we will get? 0
0,
row,
0,
0, right? This one is
0, 1,
0, 1, right? This one
1, 0,
1, 0,
1,
1, 1, right? So this is called
Yeah.
two-dimensional matrix, right? So in this case, how we will do? This one
0
बोलो भाई
0
0 0
1 0
1 0
2 0.
2 0. Very good, right? So if you are having like this, so hope everyone is following, right? In this case,
0
this one is
0
0
0 1
0 1
0 2.
0 2.
0 2, right? So very good. What is the size of matrix?
1 by 3, sir.
1 by 3 or 3?
No, sir, 1 by 3.
How about this?
3 by 1.
Okay. So you understand, right? So rows and columns. We'll find first row and then column, right?
Yes, sir.
So now similarly, when we are creating double dimensional array, so we need to follow the same structure which we are using there. Okay. So now let me go to create one additional class. Now I will write int a. Initially, how single dimensional array I will do new int of 3, right? It is having single dimension, right? How about double dimensions? If I am writing, I will write like, then I will write new int of, I can give row and columns, right? First, let us go with simplicity 2 and 2, right? So this one is single dimensional, this one is double dimensional. Here, first one is rows and second one is columns, right? Clear till here? Then how I can add the value? If I want to add first value, what I need to do is I will write 0th row, 0th column. Then I can give value, right? If you want 0th row, second column, right? Sorry, B1. Then first row, 0th column. First row, first column. Understood, right? So like this, same, whatever we are doing here, right? So I'm doing the same thing there also, right? So this is called two-dimensional array. In this case, the memory will be allocated like this. Right? So we'll be having subsequential two arrays, right? Each one will take its own memory location, right? But references will be different. So in this case, let's try to this one is the way when we am declaring, this one is assignment, right? So what if I want to do initialization, right? Let's see that one also. See, I will have one bracket. Inside I will be having another set of brackets. So rows, first row I will be writing same values, let's assign, okay? 5, 3, right? Then 6, 5. So let me write like this so that you can follow the same matrix standard. Got it? So this one is two-dimensional array, right? So now if I want to print, right? So you're in following, right? Any confusion till here? How I'm writing? So both are same. These two values are same. There is no difference. Okay. So here what I'm doing, I'm first creating 2 by 2 matrix, right? So then what I'm doing, I'm just taking 0th row, 0th column, right? 0th row, first column, first row, 0th column, first row, first column. I'm assigning the values, right? So this one is individually I'm doing, right? Here what I'm doing, I'm directly assigning the value, same values, 5, 3, 6, 5. So this one will go 0th row, 0th column, 0th row, first column, right? So first row, 0th column, first row, right column. So now if I want to print here, in this case, 5 value, what I need to print, how I will print. This is out. I want to print first value. Then what I will do, I will write z of 0 of 0. Right. So when I'm printing, you can see 5 will get printed. Right. If I want to print a second value, right. So what I will do, I will go with 0, 1. Right. 5, 3. Right. If you want to print third value, please help me. 1, 0.
0, sir.
Right. If you want last value, 1 and
1 1.
right.
1 1.
So now I'm having 4 values. Now let me run it. You can see 5, 3, 6, 5. Right. So now let me ask again another question. Okay. So now if I want to create a D, right, with 2 bar 3, right, 2 by 3, how I can create? Both the ways. First tell me the declaration and then initialization.
Into D
Into D.
brackets 2 bracket equal to in
Do new int
2 bracket
2.
next bracket 3.
Correct. Right. Now if I want to assign the first value, how I need to do?
First scroll up. Sorry.
No, I don't want to show it. Roll up. How to assign first value? Always it will start with the
D of 0 0.
yes. Always it will start with the 0 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Then second line will be little confusion, but other things will be same, right? 0th row, 0th column. I will assign some value, right? Next.
0 1.
0 1. Then
0.
1 0. Sir.
Hmm?
D of 1 0.
who is this?
Hussein Khan, sir.
You're not near, so you say
D of 0 2.
exactly. Why Hussein is wrong? Can anyone tell me?
Sir,
Because it is a
we have 3
3-dimensional.
columns.
Exactly.
Three
It's a
column.
3-dimensional. 3 columns are there, right? So you need to
Yes,
complete
sir.
it. Here you will get confused. That's why I asked this question, right? So now
Yes, sir.
next
Next
sir,
D
can you
of 1,
please,
1
sir,
0
can you please,
1.
0.
So you can see here, right? 2 rows, 3 columns, right? So rows you added 0 0 only, but you need to fill the 3 columns, right? 0 1 2 I need. புரிஞ்சுதா? So
understood,
same
sir.
D1 1 0, right? Then 1 1 and 1 2, right? So like this. Now let's, so someone nominate. Now if I am not filling all the values, what will be the other values?
Zero again.
0, right? So even you are declaring first itself, it will get wasted, memory will get wasted. So by default array will assign 0 to its values, right? So even for example, if I'm printing sys out D11, which is I haven't assigned, right? But I will get a 0. Let me remove this part. Right? So because I allocated memory, it's already allocated. It will automatically even assign or not assign, the value will remain as 0, right? So now let's go with initialization. Who will try? I want 2 by 3 matrix to be added. How I can do that?
Int D.
E will take E, huh? So that will not have error.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Do brackets and equal to open flower bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Again open flower bracket.
Mm-hmm.
We take 3 values, sir. We have 3 columns. Like 2 comma 3 comma 4.
2 comma
3 comma 4.
very good. 2 comma 3
comma 4.
4.
And again take a flower bracket downside, sir.
So are we missing anything?
Yeah, comma, sir.
Exactly. So this one is very important, right? So commas are very important. Even some we will normally won't write. Why I'm writing like this is so that it's in matrix, right? So it will be normally we'll write like this, right? So we'll write
Okay, sir.
6.
Okay, sir.
So is that right?
Yes, sir.
Right? It's a 2 by 3. So now, so everyone clear till now? How we can do declaration and initialization? Any questions? Now let me know if I want to print this both values. Someone is saying something?
So in declaration values and initialization values are different.
No, it's okay. Just to show I didn't add it all right.
Okay.
So it's a different value.
Okay, fine.
If you want same values, what we need to do here? 3, 5, 5, right? And 45. So remaining are 0. So we need to add 0, 0. Right?
Yeah.
So now if I want to print these values, how I can do that? I cannot go like this, right? One by one. Is there any way I can use loop? I can print all those values?
Nested loop, sir.
Yes. Try it, ma.
Sir, for int I equal for loop int I equal to 0. I
less than.
Sir, should I take direct the value, sir? Less than.
You try. I will correct it. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
I less than 3.
I less than 3.
No. 2. No, 2, sir.
2.
I plus plus.
I plus plus.
Another for loop, sir.
Mm-hmm.
J equal to 0,
Mm-hmm.
j less than 3,
Mm-hmm.
j plus plus,
Mm-hmm.
mm, sys out
Mm-hmm.
E and
Mhm.
two brackets I j, sir.
Mhm.
In first bracket I, second bracket j.
Okay. Now let's run it. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. So good, right? So we are printing all the values. Now she's hard coding here 2 and 3. Is there any way we can avoid this?
Length keyword.
How you'll use length if you're trying to?
Oh, sorry.
So now let's print it. Okay. So what I will get, right? So I will write e dot length. Okay. Now let's print it. What will print? So let's comment it because it's confusing, right? What is the length? Let's remove this also as a all this out. So 2. Which one is getting printed if I'm printing e dot length?
Rows, sir.
2 means rows
Value
or
of
columns?
rows.
Rows, right? So I'm just mentioning rows. So how to print columns now? Try one blind guess, no problem. I want to print the size of length column. And you want to try? So I want first row length, second row length. Let it be wrong. Try it. Someone try it, please. Okay, 0. So it will give me the value of this one, right? So when I'm running it, right? So even I no need to give always identical. I can give some value, right? So it's a dynamic. For this, if I want this to be evaluated 0, 1, 2, got it? So whatever, we no need to have always as a matrix structure. Even it will accept a dynamic value with different sizes from each row, right? You can have like this also. Okay, so first column sizes I can get it by using a particular row record. Got it? Why too much silence? So each row will be having its own length, right? Each column will be having its own length. So we need to have always the same size, right? We can have different sizes also. Even some columns I can have a single value also. That's perfectly fine. Okay. So in this case, for each row, if I want to know length, I need to go to that particular value. So now in this case, I'm just undoing it, right? So now tell me what I can add in first line and what I can add in second line. So now,
Yes, sir. In the place of 2, add that E dot 0, sir, in bracket.
here,
Sorry, E dot length, sir. Sorry, sir.
okay.
In the place of 3,
Here,
uh,
someone else also can help Sana here.
Open bracket 0.
Open bracket 0. Is that right?
Length. Dot length. Dot length.
So you don't agree with him? Definitely it will work, but is it a right? Quickly, I have to tell a lot of things. It should be I. Why? First row, right? We should take first column length, first row length, second row, second length, third row, third length, right? So it can be different or it can be same. In this case, we are always using same. We can go with 0 also, no issues. But the best way to write is need to go with I. So you hope everyone got it right. Very silent. So is it that complex?
A little bit confusing, sir.
So why you are taking 0? Always why you are taking first row? Right? So I said first row can be different size, second row can be different size. Right? I can have like this also. In this case, what will happen? It will fail or not?
The compound. Yes, sir. It will fail.
Yeah. So here in this case, you are having size of 3. Here in this case, we are having size of 2, right? So for this data, we are fine. We can go with 0 also. But for other data, if you want to write a generic code, we need to go with the I. Hope we are good, right? यहाँ पे बहुत शांति शांति है. What happened? So now let's move to next step. Okay, so you'll understand when we are practicing more, right? So now consider like I'm having, let me go with a starting example. Okay, so C and this one. I'm deleting everything. Okay, so I want to add these two values, right? So this one and this one, B and C, right? So how I can add those values? I want to store in D. Consider like I want to store it in D. So how I can do that? Addition of two metrics. Now how we'll do manually? Let's try manually how we'll do. Let's have this. We'll make it simple. No complex calculation. Okay. So I'll remove this part also. I will use both as a assignment. We'll make it very simple calculation. 2, 2, 2, 2. Something. I don't want this as of now. Right? I will make it as a 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now I want to add these two values manually. If I want to do, what
Sir, can I
will
check,
be
sir,
the
manually?
yeah? Tell me now.
Int e
Int e.
int e two brackets
Mm-hmm.
is equal to
Mhm.
open flower bracket
Mm-hmm.
C of 0 0 plus
Mm-hmm.
D of 0 0 comma
Very good. Next. Mm-hmm.
comma
So
C of
I want
0
to
1.
interrupt you here. I want
Yeah,
you
yes.
interrupt you here. So still you're doing some.
D of
See the structure. Okay. So you need to maintain the structure, right? The structure is failing here.
Sir, we need two flower brackets, sir.
Exactly. So we need a 2 flower brackets because we are having 2-dimensional array, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So then we need to start
Uh,
with that particular value, right?
Yes, sir.
Now next what I need to do.
Comma
Mm-hmm.
C of 0 1
0,
1
1. Mm-hmm.
plus D of 0 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir. After this flower bracket, take comma, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Again, open flower bracket.
Let me copy it for simplicity.
Yes.
Okay. Then
C of 1 0
C of 1 0.
D of 1 0.
C of 1 1. D
C
of
of
1 1.
1 1 D of 1 1. Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir. We have to close second flower bracket, sir. And take semicolon. Again, open double flower brackets.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now just to consider even error is there. I'm not going to go detail. Okay. Now let's try what is the pattern you can see here. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1, right? 0 2 1 0 1 1. So is there any way we can run the loop and we can do this? You can do or not? Anyone want to try the loop here? Very simple. If you understand then. So see, I need to add C of 0 0, D of 0 0. C of 1 1, D of 1 1, C of 1 2, D of 1 2, right? So there is nothing, always the values of row and column is same, right? So for example, in this case, if I'm coming here, right, matrix addition, right? For example, I'm having 1 1, if I'm having 2 2 2 and 2, if you want to make it plus, right? So always I will go with the same location, right? This one and this one, right? This one and this one, right? So always 0 0 0 0, 1 1 1 1, 1 0 1 0, 1 1 1 1, right? So there is a simple loop I can write to do this, right? How I can do that? Please try, no issues. Error is not a problem, right? Now let me try. Okay, for and I is equal to 0, is less than,
A
I is less than
C dot length
C dot length,
I
right?
plus
I
plus.
plus plus, right?
Mm.
For J is equal to 0, J is less than C of I dot length, right? Then J plus plus. Now what I need to do? Before that, I need to declare another
Matrix, sir.
Variable
matrix.
matrix. Yeah.
I need to declare. Why I'm saying declare? Because I need to assign values here, right? So now, can anyone tell me how I can declare it here? Sorry, it's E, right? D is already there. Okay. Try it out fast.
Two by two, sir. Brackets.
New?
New.
In?
In bracket 2.
Hmm.
Again 2. Same. Two brackets in the bracket 2. Number 2.
So do I need to use the number? I can use another way.
So C dot length.
Very good. C dot length. I can use C dot length because anyhow it's a same sizes, right? So addition will always take a same value, right? So now what I will do? I took a length, right? So now in this case, what I need to do here? E of
Ij
I.
equal to
Mhm.
C of Ij plus D of Ij.
Very good. Okay, because it's always the value, right? So now I haven't done it, right? So if I want to print it, what I can do? Here itself I can print it, right? 6 of E of I comma J, right? Now let's run it. What is our output?
3, sir. 3, 3, 3, 3.
Okay, 3 3 3 3.
3, sir. 3, 3, 3. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, any questions still here? Because 0 0 0 0, 0 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0, 1 1 1 1. So all the values will get added and it will give me the total, right? So now let me give you another thing. I want this to be printed like this: 3 3 3 3, like this. How I can do that? Anyone want to try?
sir. In sys out, we have to take one space, sir. With plus
Okay.
plus in double quote space.
Okay. You want me to give
Sir,
like this?
after sir, after E.
After E. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
Then we close for loop for J bracket, and after we have to take sys out without any value, sir. Only sys out.
okay. You want me to
Yes,
try
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
You're missing one thing. You're missing one thing. Right? 3, 3, 3, 3.
Sir, in the first sys out, remove ln, sir.
Very good. First is out, remove ln. Right? So we can print also, right? Now, what is the individual values, right? So you don't understand how it's happening. So ln will add, not adding ln, it will print in same line. So this one empty print line will add a new line, right? So first time when I'm printing, in this loop will not create any new line. It will always print the same value. Let's add one thing. I will show you, right? Let's do 3 by 3. Now let me write. Why the error? Can anyone tell me why the error?
Sir,
Sir, in the
in result we have to.
initial
Sir, in result also we have to store in 2 by 3 matrix, sir.
14th line, I'm having some issues. Sir, 14th line. We are not declaring
Where it is wrong?
14th line, I think. Sir. 14th line.
Same thing. So Huzaifa or Sana is saying something, right? So where I need to correct it?
Sir, we declare 2 by 2 matrix. Sir.
2 by 2
We
matrix.
use
sir.
a 3 out of our.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right. So I will fix it by just copy and pasting data mode. Right now it is become 3 by 3. Right now let's run. Very good. You are capturing very nice. Right. So now 335, 335, 446. Right now, let's try these additions by using matrix. Right. So another thing which I want you to try is multi matrix. You know how to do multiplication of matrix? Anyone
Sir.
aware?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So everyone knows how many are there in max students here?
Sir, in manual way, I know, sir.
So it's a little complex, right? Umar knows. Srikanth, you know matrix multiplication?
I know, but I forget. Manually, I
Yeah.
know
So
how
what?
to multiplication.
So lot of complexity will come when you are adding multiplication, right? So first rule is right. This one, right? 1, 2, 1, 4.
पॉलिसी सर्विस डाला हूँ पॉलिसी सर्विस डालने के लिए टैग बना के
2,
डालना पड़ता है
4. This one is
हाँ,
2,
पुराना ही ना हवा
5,
नहीं ना वो
2. This one is
हाँ KCP
what is
वाला
this
है,
one?
1 by 2.
ESD का अलग है।
1
1
by
by
2.
2. Matrix.
2 by 1,
So
sir.
multiplication. Hmm? 2 by 1, 1 by 2.
2 by 1, sir.
So why it is 2 by 1?
2 rows, 1 column.
Exactly. So we need to avoid this confusion. Okay. So now in this case, multiplication is possible or not?
डाला था बोलो क्या है देव 4 ना नहीं देव
Possible, sir.
देव 4 देव 2 ये कुछ भी नहीं
So
है
what is the rule for multiplication possibility?
One,
Number
two,
of columns
zero.
in the first matrix should be equal to number of
नहीं,
rows
आपको
in
क्या
the
करना है
second,
बोलो।
sir. Yes, sir.
Exactly. Right. These two should be same. Right. So you need to check first. This is homework which I am giving. Okay. So you need to check first this rule whether these two multiplication possible or not by comparing the size of
अच्छा मैं यहाँ
rows and columns.
10 को ऐसा कनेक्ट हो गया
Right. So now next thing is which we need to consider is how we will multiply this. What is the result will come? If you are multiplying is what the result will
Sir.
come? What is the size
2
of the
by
result?
1.
2 by 1, sir.
2 by 2.
2 by
Uh-huh.
1. 2 by 1. So remaining this will come. Right? The result should be like this. Right? So I want you to try this by multiplying. The challenge is here. How we will do? 1 into 2, 2 into 4, and we need to add those values. Remember, right? So I'm not going in detail. So what I am suggesting is you need to play with I and J when you are doing this calculation. It's a little complex. So only one homework tomorrow. Just try to do some additions, right? It's simple. Once you are familiar with multi-dimensional arrays, try to do couple of multiplications. I want first rule is first if it is not possible to multiply, I should get message like multiplication is not possible, right? So if multiplication is possible, then it need to be multiply and give me the result. Got it? I want you to understand this. Umar,
Sir, yes, sir.
right? If I will give two matrix, if both matrix are multiplication possible, it says multiplication possible, and I should get the result. I should be able to multiply it and print the result. If multiplication is not possible, I should get error like multiplication not possible. Okay. So apart from that, I given you a lot of homework yesterday, right? So all those homework shared today. Okay, tomorrow I want those to be prepared and come tomorrow, no class, right? So this to be prepared and come by day after tomorrow. So any questions still here? So today we discuss about multi-dimensional arrays, right? So multi-dimensional array will help us to have two-dimensional values where we can have rows and columns. And one important thing is rows can be having, it's not always same matrix 3 by 3, 2 by 2. We can have multiple sizes, right? So multiple sizes means one row can have two values, one row can have one value, one row can have 20 values, right? So all the things are possible. So this is called two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array, I want you to try some additions, multiplications, and I given you there are two ways to declare the web multi-dimensional array and initialize the multi-dimensional array, right? So try to do all the combinations. I will suggest you can go with the three-dimensional array also. It's very complex, but you can try to add some values from three-dimensional array. Okay, so once done, I will suggest you to try multiplication. Multiplication is one of my practical exams, complex practical exam, right? So someone is getting multiplication array, they will fear. Okay, so but it's important to because you can play with loops and dimensions, right? So it's little complex to create that logic. I would suggest don't go with the internet, just try on your own how you can play with I and J, and you will get the result. Okay. So next one is I want you to try all the homework, theoretical homework, which I given yesterday. So hope you are having that list with you, Umar.
Yes. Yesterday's
Yeah.
homework, sir.
Yesterday I told you like a big list, right? Big list,
Sir, only
because like objects,
yesterday
methods.
yesterday today's homework was to print total marks and average, and tomorrow's
Correct.
homework was use string, how to use string,
Yes,
string
exactly.
buffer, string builder, and what are the
So
string
those
methods
things
and explore them.
in object methods also, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So we need to complete this by tomorrow. Okay. All the things I will ask questions before starting on Friday. Okay. So, sorry, Saturday. So are we good?
Yes, sir.
So Umar, we are good. Srikanth, you have any specific question?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Nothing.
Good.
Understood.
Huzaifa?
Thank
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Same here. So I shared actually the videos. Now you can see the missing things also. Sana,
Clear, sir.
Pratyusha,
Yes, sir.
Ashwaq,
Clear, sir.
Hussein.
Sir, clear, sir, but I have a little bit doubt. I'll clarify on Saturday, sir. Offline. We can
Okay.
sir, more discuss more deeply, sir.
Yeah, please try to practice it. Take someone's laptop, right? So if you are
Sir,
missing one day
today I'll
practice
get
also,
my
it's risk.
laptop. Sir.
No,
Yeah, I'm
even if you are
working
not
with
getting today,
connecting. No, I'm
I
connecting
want to
with,
see the homeworks. Okay.
today I'll connect with Srikanth and I'll work, complete it, sir.
Okay. Srikanth, you are attending offline class also, right? So it's not much
Yes,
work
sir.
for
Both
you
are
Sorry,
because
sir.
you are
Could you
working
please repeat?
night. No, you are working
Yeah,
night and
actually, this week
joining.
I have night shifts.
Yeah. So if you want, you can skip one of the classes, right? You can take little rest also.
Sure.
Hmm?
Sure, sure, sir.
Anyhow, Pratyusha
Sure,
is
sir.
there. She will help you.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you.